Hi, my name is Camry, and this is my presentation. So this is my major and career plans. My name is Camry Smith. So my future job is I want to be a clinical psychologist. Clinical psychologists are supposed to provide recommendation for the proper treatment and diagnose and treat various mental illnesses, review and translate literature about complex health concepts, conduct case management, provide referral services, and participate in call rotation. The highest amount of education that you need to have to be a clinical psychologist is a PhD. Some can have a master's, but most have a PhD. I want to get my bachelor's in psychology here at BYUI and further my education to get a master's, maybe a PhD at ISU in Pocatello. I really do like the East Idaho area, and I have a ton of relatives up here, and I don't want to go back to Arizona. So that's my plan. This is me when I graduated. I chose to major in psych because I took AP Psych in high school, and it was really intriguing to me. I find the human brain to be such an interesting thing, and I want to learn more about it and spend my life trying to help people better theirs. And after reading chapter 13, my reasonings for majoring in psych are very similar to some of the reasons on the chart in chapter 13. Like, for example, I do have a strong interest in psych. I do want to be a professional psychologist, and I do want to figure myself out. Those reasons are very similar to why I majored in psych. I know this presentation was short, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed getting to learn more about me.